Salam sejahtera, Puan Adia. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Billy Tu, the leader of RTS48, and here are my group members and the logo of our group. And the product that we're going to sell is Misha Medical Cold Compress Space. Today, my group and I are going to present about the human resources function, operations management, financial planning for the business startup. There are 8 human resource functions, which are human resource planning, job analysis, recruitment and selection, training and development, performance management, compensation and benefits, occupational safety and health, employment laws. Human resource planning is the continuous process of the systematic planning ahead to achieve optimal use of an organization's most valuable asset, quality of group members. With this human resource planning, it provides a pathway for future development and establishes a reservoir of talent capable of filling leadership roles. Human resource planning is therefore a leadership function in RTS48. So that's all from me. Now it's Jeffrey's turn to talk about the job analysis.
There's a world of difference between group members who is correctly matched to their jobs and their organization, and one who is not. But how do you find and match the right people to the right jobs? By including in your comprehensive people strategy, a well-structured recruiting and selection program is needed. The key to successfully developing such a program is to follow a proven recruiting process for the position you need to fill. Recruitment and selection can help to develop accurate job description. Your first step is to make sure you have an effective job description for each position. Your job description should reflect carefully through as to the roles the individual will fill, the skill set that they will need, the personalities attributes that they are important to complete their task, and any relevant experience that will differentiate one applicant for another. Through recruitment and selection, our group members with different jobs is being chosen, which is more suitable for them to complete the task given to them.
Performance management is defined as the process of continuous communication and feedback between manager and employee towards the achievement of organization objectives. Performance management is also a corporate management tool that helps leader, monitor, and evaluate group members' work. Performance management goals is to create an environment when people can perform the best of their abilities to produce the highest quality work most efficient and effectively. A formal performance management program helps managers and employees see eye to eye about expectation, goals and career progress, including how individual works aligns with the group overall vision. Generally speaking, performance management views individual in the context of broader workplace system. Next, compensation and benefits refers to the compensation and the other monetary and non-monetary benefit passed on by firm to its employee. Compensation and benefit is an important aspect of HRIM as it helps to keep the workplace motivated. It helps give benefit to employees based on their performance and as action brings the best out of the employees at the workplace.
Occupational safety and health. Safety and health, or OSH, also commonly referred to occupational health and safety, or HS. Occupational health or occupational safety is a multidisciplinary field concerned with the safety, health, and welfare of people at occupation. The goal of an occupational safety and health program is to foster a safe and healthy occupational environment. OSH also protect all the general public who may be affected by the occupational environment. Occupational health and safety is designed to create a safe, healthy work environment. Simple improvement can increase competitiveness, profitability, and motivation of employees. The implementation of an OSH management system provides an effective framework to prevent or minimize accident and ill health. Employment laws. Employment law is the area of law that govern the employer-employees relationship. Therefore, if the business has more than one employee, then the business likely uses employment law. This area is made out of both state and federal laws and include many different subjects with the common goal to protect workers' rights. For employees, this law work to prevent discrimination, promote health and safety, and establish a minimum required level for economic support, prevent work disruption due to dispute between labor and management. Entrepreneurs tend to start business without an understanding and labor laws and regulation. Despite the fact that these laws have a significant impact on a business functionality, so our group members act as partners in our business as to achieve our goal in our entrepreneurship course.
Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. For our RTS at my group would like to talk about the input of our mission product selling, which can be seen inside this diagram. For the input, we include location planning, layout planning, product planning, quality management, and product costing. For our location, we do not have booth or place to sell, but we sell out our product through online social media. Friend recommendation and also customer feedbacks are our relationship with customers. Besides, the location of buyer can be randomized, but we do provide free delivery fee to those who are in Cebu and Kuching area. Those who are not inside these two areas, postage fee will be included. Besides that, our process design is based on the chart above, which is in diagram 1. If it is in Kuching or Cebu area, our package design is shown inside diagram 2. It is a standard packaging from Mission box and easier for the customer to confirm that they did not buy the wrong stuff. While for other places, our package design will be the same, just that the post module will have an extra layer of packaging to cover the face mask and with an increased cost of the delivery. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Chiza and now I will present two parts. The first part is product planning and capacity management. The second part is inventory management. For product planning and capacity management, we as an entrepreneur must design adequate production facility to produce output that fulfills sales forecasts. Decision must be made on type, quality, and number of manpower required for the production. Depending on the volume of production, we need around 10 men to overcome our problems. For inventory management, entrepreneur must manage inventory effectively because adequate inventory helps entrepreneurs to meet market demand. Thus, all capital must be managed effectively and efficiently. In our business RTX 888, we have our own storage. In the retail business, the general rule of thumb is that inventory for fast-moving items should be adequately stocked, while the inventory for slow-moving items should be few but adequate. So our main storage is at Cebu and Kuching. The objective of inventory management is to determine optimum inventory level that is suitable for the business. Thank you.
The most common element of the business definition is that the quality of the product or service. It refers to the perception of the degree to which the product or service meets the customer expectation. There are a few benefits. Remain competitive, retain market share, achieve customer satisfaction and loyalty. For producing high quality products or services are the benefit of having good quality of business. Quality management can reduce operational costs such as reduced quality problems, scraps, wheel loss, and wastages. Our total operational cost is equal to direct cost of material add-on with direct labor cost and overhead cost. For our current plan, direct cost of material is 690 ringgit. The direct labor cost and overhead cost will be zero, so total operational cost is equal to 690 ringgit. For product costing, cost per unit is equal to the total cost divided by total output number sold. Our cost per unit Mission Core Compressed Paste is 34 ringgit and 50 cents. Our product is sold at a price of 48 ringgit per box, so the profit that we get is 13 ringgit and 50 cents per unit.
Hi guys, my name is Gabriel Kaur Chok Jun and my matrix number is 69763. Now I'm going to talk about financial planning for our business startup. Each members contribute 80 ringgit as starting capital for our business, and total up there is 800 ringgit. 690 ringgit is used for mission access, thus our project implementation cost is around 690 ringgit as shown in table 1.0. We also have external sources which is partnered with Division Mishang YT team as shown in table 1.1. There is no loan amortization needed as our money is the starting capital for our business. Thank you. Now I'm going to pass it to Sylvia Liu.
Step 3 is about depreciation of asset. The depreciation amount per week is calculated based on the life expectancy of the asset, which is 86.25 weeks in this case. Our depreciation per week is calculated by using the asset value, which is 690 ringgit, divided by 86.25 weeks, and we will get 8 ringgit for our depreciation per week. And our cumulative depreciation for the 9 weeks is 72 ringgit. Cash flow projection is the estimated total cash inflow, cash outflow, and balance of cash at the end of the day, week, or month. So from the table, we can see that we have 9 weeks in total, and our total cash inflow, which is about 1,760 ringgit, and our cash outflow is 690 ringgit. Cash balance is calculated by using total cash inflow deducted by the total cash outflow, which is 1,070 ringgit.
Table shows the projected income statement, which gives the expected financial performance for the financial periods on total sale, cost of goods sold, gross profit, expenses, and net profit. Throughout 9 weeks, we plan to have a sale of 960 ringgit of our Mission facial mask. Since there is no cost of goods sold, our gross profit will be the same as 960 ringgit. Due to a depreciation of 72 ringgit, our final net profit will be 198 ringgit. Based on the projected financial statement, the profit margin on sale will be 92.5%. This project balance sheet shows the balance sheet assets. The total assets is 1,688 ringgit, which includes 1,070 ringgit of cash and 618 ringgit of asset. The liability is zero since we do not apply for a loan. From the 800 ringgit capital paid and 888 ringgit accumulated profit, the sum of liability and equity is 1,688, which is same as the total asset. Last but not least, through the financial planning, it is found that the return on investment per month is 128.7%. However, for the return on asset per month is 52.61%.